Hello and welcome guys to a new episode on Top Drive Fanatic. Today we're going to do the tune-up Audi R18 TDI Ultra tune-up. So let's go straight into it. Let's see what it beholds for us. I think this should be pretty okay. Let's do it like this. Status, locked, upgraded, like this. Then it will be fair, I think. So that one is able to do like that. I'm able to do this here, and then I will be able to do it like this, right? Definitely. Then we just need a faster one than 8.2, like this. And I think I'm fine. Okay, I'm not fine here. Oh, but I'm still fine in total. That's sick. As you see, by the way, this is the new layout. I don't know if you guys have seen this earlier, but it's kind of sick, but also kind of weird. But I do kind of like it. But it's kind of weird, right? But yeah, let's just accept that and let's get on. Status, locked, and upgraded. Let's get low, because we want to start low. I'm going to start with you here. We then gonna go with you here, because I know I have you upgraded, and I know I have you upgraded. So like this, and now we're just gonna search for someone who's able to do them. North loop, we need something with speed for that. Something with speed like this. Or let's just go for this. Like this, we'll do the north loop and a twisty circuit. Well, I mean, this should work. As you can see, I've prepared not really for this, but I think I'm able to do this. Like, you have so much cars you can actually choose, which makes it a little bit easier. Like this, filter, status, locked, upgraded. Why do you say? And I say, that's why. I know I have this car upgraded, and I have this car upgraded. Then we go to 17. We have this car not fully upgraded, but upgraded enough, it seems. And we don't have that car. So let's see. Those two I will switch. For sure. Let's just shoot there then. Oh, I should have switched them. I literally just said to myself, switch them. And I just didn't switch them. Am I really that dumb? I am really dumb. Like, I literally said it to myself like a couple of seconds ago. And I already forgot. But yeah, locked, upgraded, rarity, also uncommon. To make sure I actually do it. So this one right here, this one right here. This one I don't know for sure, but we need a 7.4. Man, need you here then. Choose this one here then. Laguna. So we just need I think this one is fine. Although he doesn't have the best stats, but I don't know how that one otherwise wins. Let's just okay, the first one needs to be skipped. So like this will be fine. Okay. So this is the difference of me preparing a level or not preparing a level. Status locked, upgraded. Because now I actually have to find my cars. Which maybe you find fun, but it's easier, I think, to watch if I've already done it. Because then you can just copy my team straight away. This one will leave, this one will leave, this one will leave. We just need a fast car. Like this. There. We need another fast car like this. There. And then we need a twisty circuit in the rain. Like this there. This will be fine. As you can see. Done. It's now on to round 6. Let's see. Oh, wrong button. Filter. Go like this. Status can be upgraded. Now locked and is upgraded. Like this. Okay, so I don't really have the cars. Okay, but this one will be quite easy as long as you have this car attributes. Like as long as you have this. Oh no, I need this still. And now if I do it like this, car attributes. No. And I sort them with top speed. Dashball 0 to 100. Fast circuit. Recording circuit. I know this is not the cheapest team, but still, let's be fair, this is a very cheap team. And as I said, like, as long as you win this one, like you make this one, already makes the level so much easier. So now let's go for level 7. Uncommon, reset. Set to the filter of status locked and upgraded. Let's go, boom. This one here. This one. Fuck, it does need to be fully upgraded. So let's do this, but still not enough. This car here. This car here. Let's see. This might help here. And that twisty circuit. This one should be fine. And as you can see, this should be fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go round 8. Let's see. Status locked, upgraded. I don't know why it doesn't just do that for me. That would be freaking awesome. So I do have this car for sure. Do have this one car for sure. I do have that car as well, but I don't know if it's upgraded enough right now. It might be. Let's just try. Let's see. Like this, I think is fine. I think it all depends on the last one, so we might have to watch it. Well, if we make the first two, I can skip it because those are the two I'm uncertain about, together with the last one. Okay. So now, filter common and common, car attributes, no status, locked, upgraded. Like this. Okay. Don't really have the facilities for that. That doesn't help, that doesn't help. That doesn't help. Okay, so we just need standard cars. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this, and we'll be fine. Okay, so I think we're fine. Let's go for level 10 then. Let's see. Bang, 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 bang. Filter, common, uncommon. Status, locked, upgraded. Exactly. Okay. So I can use this car here. I can use this car here. Is it upgraded enough? Unsure, probably not. And I can use, I don't know if I actually upgraded it. I probably have not. Nope. Great. Okay. So let's see. .483. Let's just you here. I already have you. I don't have you. The first. Should be fine. Why wouldn't this one work? Maybe that's why. This one is fine. I think even this one here. This one there. I think I'm fine. I should be fine, let's say like that. Okay, let's go. Let's buy them more to finish this. Maybe like this. Okay. I don't have that one. 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 And I don't have that one. That's freaking great. So I'm gonna figure this out on my own. Let's filter. Handling. Let's just you here. Let's just you here. That one won't be used. Then let's use 0 to 60 time. Jesus. You here then. Then let's use it. You here. You here. Oh man. This is no fun. Yeah, I was already expecting the second one to freaking fail. And let's just use you. I'll be fine. Okay, this one will be a lot harder. So filter this, but we'll still put you here. Then let's see, we need a 0 to 60 time. Let's see, is there anything there? Nope. So let's go for you. I know we can do this without this year and we'll do it easily, but I'm not that type. You know that. I know that. This one, G-force. This one, Carling circuit. The other way around it will be. Yeah. Like this. Should be fine. Yeah, this will make up for all of it. Even if I lose one. I don't, but even if I had, there was no stress. Like this, we need handling. This one will definitely be used. Here. need handling. I think let's just do like this. I'll be fine. I know, again, very, very, very expensive team, but I know I can do it lower, but then I'm gonna only use one of those, and I want to show you that's really easy, even with using 5. This is, by the way, pretty sick bag. Let's add those cars. Like this one, I don't expect it, but it's new. So we're now on level 14 already. So let's see. 14. Was this meant to be? No. This one here for sure. This one there should be fine then. This one won't be used. This one should be fine there then. And calling circuit, I think you should be fine there then. And then if I use you, let's just use you, why not? And again, you only have to use like a couple of these cars, because you don't need all to the 2002 to 2005, or whatever it is, 2005, 2009. Oh, it will get way harder. We'll be fine, come on. You will be fine, fine, fine. Locked, upgraded. This will make it easy. Around 15. This is at least the one I want here. I think rare is good enough. If uncommon, rare if uncommon will be fine. Yeah, that's exactly why. That's why I just did this. This one there. This one here. This one here. And we're still fine. As you can see, 1 extra point. And we'll keep it at that. Level 16. Oh man, it's getting so much harder. Let's do it like this. This one. Here. This one. Here maybe. This one. Nah, it will not be good enough. Filter. Car attribute standard. This one will definitely be good enough. Here. This one will definitely be good enough here. This one here maybe. Like this. Something like this should be fine, right? I actually lose one. Which one do I lose? Let's just find out by... Oh, I think the fourth one. I think the fourth one I actually lose. Because this one I win. This one I should win. Exactly. This one I actually do win as well. And then this one, he's way too slow. So like this, like this, like this, like this. If you do it like this, we should be fine. Exactly. Level 17, let's go. Filter. Like this. This one will be used here again. This one will be used here. Then this one will be used here. Then let's see. This will be used here. And then let's see. I think if I use this one here, we'll be fine. Exactly. Now level 18 should also be fine. Like this. This one there. This car is not fully upgraded. Oh, it is. This one there. This one there. Then we have this one. And this one. That'll be fine. Right. Level 19. Let's see. Filter. Okay. Like this. Do we have one? No. 6.485. Do we have ultra rares? This should be fine. This should be fine. Like this. Maybe that this works. I've got no idea what I'm doing, man. I'm losing the first one. Oh, I'm losing many. Okay. I will search for a team and I'll come back to you when I find a team. Okay, so level 19 again. I think I have a team that's able to do it, but I'm not really sure. So let's see. I've upgraded this car almost fully. Oh my. I wasn't aware that I need to upgrade it. Ah, I need to use one super rare, but yeah, I've spent like almost all my coins, I know. Really bad. Just really want to do this. Like really wanted it. To do it today. So there goes my money. And let's hope the next level isn't as hard as this one, so I can actually do it. Let's see this one first, wait. Car attributes, standard, TDI. You should say this one makes it then. Let's just see. Yeah, it should. I think it should. Okay. Now let's get rid of medium high. Let's get common, uncommon, rare, super rare. No need for standard. Like it should. It should. Then it is like this. Maybe this one there. Maybe like this. Fuck. This one there. This one there. I've got no idea, but we can find out in a second. This one at least is fine. This is what I'm glad about. This one is fine. This one I'm nervous about. Okay, not anymore. This one I'm nervous about. Not anymore. Now the last one I am nervous about as well. Yeah, that's why. Okay. So we should change this one. Like this. It's too high rated for flip's sake. Okay, so if we change this one, because this one won. Let's not pick that one. I think this one is still fine there. Then we can use someone else there. Like you. I'm in the mud. Like I'm struggling with this a lot. Yes. Okay. I've made it. And because we're already spending money, why not? Why not just do it again? This one definitely here. Do I have this one? Yes, like this. Let's filter super air in as well. Let's filter like this. Put you here. Let's put you here. Put you here. Should be fine. Hello? Should be fine. Oh, yeah. Because we're already spending money, right? It doesn't even matter anymore. Like that €1. It won't matter. Let's go level 22 then. I know this will become harder and harder, but let's just try. Handling you there. Fuck. Yeah, fuck. I'm fucked. Okay, never mind. We're not fucked. We're never fucked. Let's be fair, we're never fucked. There's one here. He does win easily. So maybe... Maybe... We can try. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Someone is not gonna be low. Like him, you're gonna be fine there. And then just like this. You there, and if we're busy doing that, let's put you there. To make sure we actually win. This one is actually like a harder tune-up. Like we've had some quite easy one, I think. This one is actually quite hard. I'm actually having to, I know I didn't do preparations, but still having to work quite hard for it. Okay, so this one is totally fine. And we can get actually into level 23. Man. Okay. This one will be fine there. Like this one can be fine here, I think. We don't have that. This one is all about top speed. So this should be fine. .9 should be fine. Also should be fine. Oh my god. Yeah. This is at least a good one. This is at least a good one. This is definitely a good one. This should be a good one. Oh, I was nervous. Also the corners really help, yes. So around 24. Let's go. Okay. This one, fine. Now we're going like this again. This one is fine there. This one is fine there. This one is fine there. And this one's fine there. Maybe like this. Oh my god. Okay. I'm actually like, my heart is actually in my stomach or somewhere. Or in my throat. Wherever you like to say it, but it's not on the place it's used to. It's meant to be. Oh my god. These levels are actually hard. Yeah, you want to come back down. Exactly. And now the last level. Let's go. Then we've done it in one day. Like, let's go. Let's just go. Which one does need handling as well? This one definitely does. This one definitely does. This one definitely does. You. Maybe. Maybe this is the way I do it. Okay. First one right. Second one definitely right. Third one should be fine as well. So the random handling really helps. So this one should work. Same car, better upgraded. So, and then the last one. Yes. Oh my god! I freaking done this level. Level 19 is a hell. Oh my god! I've escaped. Oh my god! That's a car I already have. Oh my god! I freaking thought I did it. It's fine, it's fine. But yeah, I want to thank you all for watching. So please have a great day and I will see ya.